burrito, gotta love Taco Bell. Suddenly my inside screaming from the depths of hell. Hurry to the Arby throne. Don't you mind my painful moans. Back on the road, gotta move on and drive. Then I see a sign, come on in 2 for $5. Hurry to the Arby throne. Don't you mind my painful moans. Now I say no more burritos until I get a pint of Pepto-Bismol. You never know how bad you need it until you're running out of TP. Double cheese burrito, gotta love Taco Bell. Suddenly my inside screaming from the depths of hell. Hurry to... How do I keep a straight face with this? Oh, is that how you do it? Is that how you keep a straight face? Back on the road, gotta move on. Hurry! We're never gonna get through this! Ah! Wanna take over? Wanna take over? That's good. That stuff literally tastes like shock. And you say making these videos is easy? Hey everybody, I hope you liked that little bit of toilet humor here on April Fool's Day 2018. I have actually been working on this piece for over a month, and I have been very excited to share it with the world just for fun. I know I have some pretty epic April Fool's prank videos of the past. Everything from quitting YouTube and getting a suit and tie job to running my RV on eco-friendly tater tots, filling my onboard water tank with Bud Light, and of course last year's epic recycling my own urine and drinking it on camera. I just felt that I'd rather make you guys laugh in a more creative way, and I had a lot of fun putting this all together. And look forward to being back with you on the Lincoln Highway here in 2 days. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.